Okay, I'm here at my food truck. I'm getting it cleaned up, getting ready for an event. But what I need to do is replace the screen door. I've been having an issue with trying to figure out a way to put a screen door or some kind of screen up here. As you can see, I got this old flimsy thing here. You see it breaks. And it's a good little screen door. I've been using it for a year now, but I had to replace it twice. It's just real flimsy. You see where it breaks. I just need something temporarily where I can open and close the door. So I'm gonna show you what I purchased here off Amazon. And you're gonna see what I see straight out of the package. I bought this, well, it came in today. So my door, it says 38 by 81, but the door here on my truck is 37 and a half by 78. So I'm gonna see if this will work. So you're gonna see what I see. So we're gonna take it out of the package together. We're gonna try it, we're gonna put it up. All right, I'm gonna give you some measurements also while I'm taking it out the package. All right, we're gonna take this out the package together. You can see it's here on the package, the size. It seems like it's really simple. This is straight out the package. You see right there. So I'm gonna take out my tape measure and we're gonna measure this thing. Remember I told you mine's, my door frame was 37 and a half. So from end to end, it's 23 or 22 and 3/4. So that's as small as it'll get. So we're gonna extend it. It stands pretty wide. And you got that, I'm gonna press it in. So it's got a pretty good spring in it. So measure from tip to tip, from here to here, you got exactly 41 inches. So 41. So it looks like it'll fit on mine. It's really easy. Like I said. So let me just see how the mesh. We're gonna get the width of this. It goes across from here to here. So that is 38. So the mesh itself is 38, but that rod will go from 23 to what I said, I think 43. No, 41, I'm sorry. So it'll fit perfectly fine. So I'm gonna walk over here to my truck. I'm gonna go ahead and put this rail in and I'm gonna screw it in. See, I got this at 38. My food truck. Okay, I got it installed on my food truck, and also these little Velcro things come with it. I'm not using those, but it is in the package in case you want to use it. But as far as I'm concerned, it's gonna work perfectly for what I need it to do. As you can see, I'm gonna walk here in my food truck. And you see right up there how I got it installed. I got it installed on the outside, and I'm gonna zoom in. So I can actually close the door. I thought I had to put it here on the outside, but if I want to, I can do that also. I just move the extension or the spring-loaded tension thing and put it on the outside. So it's on the inside, so I can actually close the door. I'm gonna show you here on my food truck. I'm gonna close the door. And you see, I don't have to do anything. So when I get ready to get in, I just open this door and just walk in. So I've been struggling trying to find a replacement. You can't beat that. It'll be good for your house or anything else, but I'm gonna give you a review after a few events So if I want to just walk in, I can walk into my food truck. It's kind of dirty right now, but we're getting some service people to come and clean it up because we got an event coming up. You can see I'm walking here, and you can place this. I'm gonna show you another trick you can do. You can see right through it. I'm looking through this screen, and you can see everything on the outside, but you can't hardly see from the inside. Like I said, I got it here, spring loaded, and I can put it on the outside. I think this is cool. Then if I want to keep it open, I could just grab it. And just sling it over like that. So I think this is perfect for what I need. But I'm taking this heat over here by this deep fryer, that's a different story. Like I said, I'm gonna give you a review after a couple of months. And another good thing I like about this, say for instance, it's too long for you. See, I may need to bring, you see how it touches right there? I may want to bring it up a few inches, maybe 4 inches. What you can do, just fold this up. I'm gonna go ahead and fold it. It's kind of hard to do. And just get you a magnet. See, I got that. And you can get some strong magnets and put on the inside like this, and that'll also be extra weight. So put about 5 or 6 down the bottom, and you can bring it up as high as you want. So I can bring it up to here if I want to. Also, you see how that magnet click? It locks it in place. So this is just a magnet, and you can get by. And all this whole thing is a magnet from here to here. You see how it slammed? So you can do modifications how you want. So, and you can get some really strong magnets from Lowe's or Home Depot. So I put about 1, 2, I put about 6 of them on there. So when this thing's fold, see how it snapped in place? That'll be great. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. And like I said, if you want to purchase one of these, just look in the description below. I was in doubt. I didn't know what the measurements. So now I know when they say 38, they talking about the screen width from here to here. So your tension spring, when we measured it, you saw it went from, what was it, 23 as the smallest, and it goes out to 41. So this will work perfect for you. Like I said, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.